Hey, it's Chef Austin with EverythingKitchens.com. We love Fiesta Dinnerware just as much as you do, and we want to show you how to protect it. A lot of people are buying and selling pieces online, but many times they don't always arrive in one piece. We're going to show you how we pack Fiesta in our warehouse, and then we're going to show you how you can do that at home. In our warehouse, we select an appropriate sized grade A thick cardboard box for your order, not too big or too small. We use at least 2 layers of industrial strength bubble wrap on the outermost layer of the box. Now that the box is prepared, we will individually wrap each piece of Fiesta in multiple layers of foam sheets. We tape the foam off so it does not unravel during shipping. Each Fiesta piece is wrapped specifically to its type. Here we will wrap a stack of plates together, starting with the smallest plate. Items with fragile handles are specially taken care of with many layers of foam to surround them. We make sure not to have the handles in contact with each other. Now it's time to pack. The excess foam on the sides will provide protection while in transit so the plates don't slide around. Smaller items will be packed on top of larger items to prevent damage. You'll see there's almost no empty space in the box. Any empty space can let your dishes rattle around, causing damage during shipping. We will fold industrial bubble wrap over the top so every side of the box is protected. Doing a shake test after packing lets us feel if anything is moving. If you don't hear or feel anything shifting, then it's good to go. Now that we've shown you how we pack Fiesta in our warehouse, we're going to show you how to do it at home. So it's real easy. You just need some simple packing supplies that you can find at the store, and we're going to show you how to do that. And the first one is to keep pieces from touching. You may not have packing foam, but styrofoam plates can work in a pinch. Use multiple layers of foam plates between each piece of your dinnerware. Stack like sizes together and use tightly strung layers of plastic wrap to secure everything into place. If you have more than one size of plate, spread the styrofoam plates to fully cover your dishes before stacking on another plate. Best practice number 2 is to pack tight. Vibrations and shifting in transit result in chips, nicks, and scratches. You want absolutely no wiggle room at all. To ensure that, be sure to select a box that's just large enough to fit your dishes along with packing material. Just like in the warehouse, we're using bubble wrap to pad the inside walls of the box. Start with placing the largest dishes on the bottom layer. I'm putting 4 layers of large bubble wrap in between each set of dishes. Remember, we want to pack tight. You don't want any empty space left on the top of your box or on the sides of your dishes. Add more layers of bubble wrap until there's no wiggle room at all. If there is still empty space at the top, use more folded sheets of bubble wrap to fill the void. Avoid using crumpled paper or popcorn. These things can flatten during transit and your dishes can break. Tape up the box and give it a shake test. If you feel anything moving, open it up and add more packing material. And remember best practice number 3. Too much weight will negate all packaging. A box should weigh 12 to 15 pounds at its maximum. By far the best packing material for Fiesta Dinnerware truly is foam sheets. It works great for all shapes of Fiesta. I like to use 4 to 5 layers of foam for most items. For items with different pieces like this canister, I like to wrap each piece separately and use tape to secure the foam. Use a small piece of bubble wrap in between each piece, then wrap the set together and secure with packing tape. The most common way Fiesta breaks during shipping is impact. Foam sheets greatly reduce the force of impact. For items with handles like this teacup, I make sure to wrap and tape extra foam around the handle. Keep corners, knobs, and handles away from everything. For added security, you can take multiple wrapped items and wrap another layer of foam around them. This reduces shifting in transit. As before, always line the insides of the box with 2 overlapping sheets of bubble wrap. I'm going to have some empty space at the bottom of the box this time, so I'll fill it with bubble wrap. The excess foam on the side of this trivet will provide protection and prevent shifting. This looks like a tightly packed box thanks to the many layers of foam. Tape the box with an H pattern for more insurance. This box of dinnerware should be able to travel anywhere unscathed. And if you want extra peace of mind, opt in for shipping insurance. If you are selling pieces online, the insurance will eventually pay for itself. Sometimes even the most well-packed boxes won't survive the postal service. When you follow these best practices and your carrier treats your package kindly, you should end up with something like this. You want to pack like the pros? EverythingKitchens.com offers to ship you the Fiesta Pro packing materials. This includes everything you need to safely pack your Fiesta pieces for shipping. Included is packing foam, industrial engineered bubble sheets, and grade A boxes. Find a link to these in the description or at everythingkitchens.com. If you have any questions about packing your Fiesta dinnerware, please give us a call or check out our website, everythingkitchens.com, and we'll get you helped out.